My head before the goddess Saraswati and Lord Shiv. Today I am going to light on the life history of Sir Jagdish Chandra Basu. He was the pioneer scientist of India, as well as he was also a polymath. He has interest in several subjects like physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, natural science, etc. He was the pioneer scientist of physics. He has done major work on wireless telecommunication, which lead the ultimate goal of development of Wi-Fi, radio, television, etc. But he was never given the credit. The credit of discovery of wireless telecommunication or Wi-Fi is given to the Marconi, but maximum work done by the Sir Jagdish Chandra Basu in this field. He had studied in St. Xavier's College in Kolkata, in Presidency College of Kolkata, Cambridge University and Royal Society of London. In Royal Society of London, he proved his experiment that plants have sensitivity. For this purpose, he used the boric acid. Bromide is the poisonous element for the plants, and with the help of this, he had proved that plants have sensitivity. Plants have sensitivity. This was the measured by the instrument that is invented by the Sir Jagdish Basu, that is the crescograph. Crescograph has the device by which we can measure the little bit movement of the plant. With the help of the bromide poison, he has measured the ultimate reflections of the plants, whatever going on in that plant. He has also attached with that crescograph a autoradiograph. With the help of that, he can automatically measure the little bit movement of the plant, so that he never be awarded by the Nobel Prize, but he also get the best prize of London, that is the knighthood. In India, he was the pioneer scientist and established a research institute in which research of physics, research of bio takes place simultaneously. With these words, I would like to thank you.